Service. I'm Orpheus Praxis. In this episode, we examine a derivation that transforms how we understand fundamental physics. It does not adjust parameters. It does not speculate, it proves. Let's begin with a basic fact. Most constants in physics, such as Planck's constant, the gravitational constant, and Boltzmann's constant, are empirical. They are measured, not derived. Even the speed of light, 299,792,458 meters per second, is officially listed as a defined constant, but its value remains unexplained. Until now, in 2025, a rigorous mathematical model demonstrated that the speed of light is not empirical. It is derivable, with no free parameters and no fit to observational data. Here is the structure. We begin with the Planck length, the smallest meaningful unit in physics, approximately 1.616 times 10 to the minus 35 meters. From this length, we construct the radius of the recombination horizon, the scale of the universe when photons first decoupled from matter. This radius is calculated by multiplying the Planck length by the golden ratio raised to the power of 207. The golden ratio, denoted phi, is approximately 1.618. This gives us R0 equals Planck length times phi to the power of 207, which evaluates to approximately 2.536 times 10 to the 8th meters. This value is not inserted, it is derived from structure alone. Next, we compute the mass enclosed within that radius using classical energy density relations. From this mass, we apply Newtonian gravity to determine the escape velocity at that scale. This gives the standard expression. C equals the square root of 2gm divided by r. However, because the spatial structure is not smooth but fractal, we apply a correction, dividing by the golden ratio to account for recursive embedding. Thus, the corrected formula becomes C equals the square root of 2gm divided by r multiplied by 1 over phi. Now we define the mass m in terms of the same constants. It is given by mass equals c squared times r times phi squared divided by 2g. Substituting this expression for mass back into our velocity formula yields c equals the square root of c squared times phi squared multiplied by 1 over phi. This simplifies directly to c equals c. A closed identity. No unknown terms. No adjustments. Only the Planck length, the gravitational constant, and the golden ratio. And yet, the output matches the measured speed of light to full numerical precision. From a theoretical perspective, this changes everything. We now have a physical constant that is not fitted, but logically required. This is not a hypothesis, it is a closed derivation. To reject it, one must either disprove the recursive geometry of space, or show that the golden ratio is irrelevant at physical scales, but observational data say otherwise. The recombination radius matches the fractal model. The layered energy density structure explains the anisotropies in the cosmic microwave background. All components converge into one coherent system. This model achieves maximum compression of assumptions. No theory of quantum gravity, no inflationary model, no unification framework has ever derived a constant of nature from pure geometry. Subscribe to Orpheus Praxis. Namaste.